Subukan natin ito mga kaibigan ang binili ni Kano. Ito po ay prutas, organic fruits and vegetables, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kales, peanuts, bananas. Kuha ka ng gunting, please. Kuha ka ng gunting. Oh, bakit ba? Bakit ang problema? Ba't ba nag-umiyak ng sabi-agoy? Okay. Kuha ka ng gunting. Oh, ito po. Kuha ka ng gunting ko. Ay, dito lang pala. Ay, yay. Gabi. Oh, huwag ka na mag-cry-cry. Ano mo cry man, oy? Oh, ganyan palang itsura. Ano ilalagay natin? Kunin mo yung gatas ka. Ganyan palang itsura niya, nakapakiti. No, yung yung almond. Yung almond.
What's that, Mommy? Yeah, that's
Okay.
What's that green thing?
Ewan ko, let's try.
Try it.
Try.
Let's look here.
Nakaganito na pala siya. Okay, excuse me.
Can I dump it?
You want gusto mong kumain? Kuha ka.
Can I dump it?
Okay.
All of it?
Yeah. Lahat. Okay. Dum.
What's that green
Parang
thing?
konti lang siya. O sige, dalawa na kayo.
Can I dump that one? Can I dump that one? Yeah.
Okay, lagyan natin ng ano ba yung sabi dito? O diretso na?
Mom, see they did all of it.
Smoothie blend pa. Tubig lang pala. Tubig lang palang ilalagay natin. Hindi yan. Okay. Okay na yan. Excuse me. Alright. Saan ang
Need a
takip?
top.
Tubig lang inilay. Fresh fruits po siya.
Oh, Mama.
O sige, stand up. Tayo. Sige. Frozen siya mga kaibigan, kaya medyo... Sama ni? Wait lang. Dagdagan natin ng tubig.
Stop.
CJ! Ano kayang lasa nito? Yan. Dahil mo dito. Gawa tayo ng kutsara. Hindi yan pwede mano lang, kutsara. Okay, okay. Hindi, oh wait lang, boy. Hindi yan siya pwedeng, kuha ka ng lalagyan mo. Bowl, oh, ito.
I want to smell it. This is
Try if you like.
like. I don't know. Thank you.
CJ! Goy, hindi yan pwede, Goy. Kutsara lang yan. Eh. Hindi yan pwede sa ano, Goy. Oh, sige nga, Be. Try mo nga, oh. Oh, ayan ang itsura, mga kaibigan, sa... Kutsara mo yan. Hindi yan pwede sa strogic, kaya hindi siya masyadong liquid. Oh, ito yung kutsara mo. Ayan, yan.
Yucky. It's so deep.
Ayan, oh. Oh, sit down na doon.
I changed my mind.
Ayaw mo?
It tastes horrible. Bye-bye.
More?
Yeah? Mommy.
Go sit down, CJ. Go sit down.
Should we go to the playground after this?
Sure. Sit down, doon ka.
Playground!
Gusto ni CJ, oh.
Apart?
Yeah, you wanna go to the playground after? No? Ayaw man ni CJ pupunta sa
The
playground.
dump truck.
You wanna dump truck?
I school bus.
School bus, okay.
Mama, ask the bus.
Okay. Ayan, masyadong malamig yan. Masyadong malamig. Frozen pa kasi siya, oh. Ayun na.
I eat it.
Hmm?
I show.
Not eating daw.
This chocolate for my dad.
Oh, why isn't mayroong kang ganyan?
Did you put it here?
Hoy! Gamitin mo kutsara.
That's it. Gummies, dude. Holy good, mommy. Mama, ice truck.
Ice cream truck.
Holy dude. And
Put that in the
mom's bag.
Put in the cabinet.
No, it's mine. I need it for the skating. I can eat it in the skating. Only this I can eat at home. This is the gummy. That's the chocolate. I just eaten that gummy. Mom, I'm not eating the chocolate. I'm eating this.
No, put in the cabinet. Put in the cabinet, Goy. Dili.
So I had to put
Dili,
this
pwede.
here. You want me to put in my king bag? Another for chocolate and gummy. Oh, save these chocolate and this gummy for skating, mommy. So I can eat them chocolate.
You like it, CJ?
Yes.
Good. Nag-ice pang, lamig.
I see.
Ice cream.
That?
Smoothie yan, be. Smoothie.
I told you it's not ice cream. It's a smoothie. It's ice cream.
Gamitin mo yan. Kunti-kunti lang, be, kay ma.
Why did you put a Scoopy thing? Scoop. There's a shot there. We don't put a Scoop, Mama. And why did you put some chocolate and some gummies? Did you do that, Mommy?
Ayan na.
Did you put gummies and chocolate? And
Hello, mga kaibigan. Sarap na sarap yung CJ. O, ayaw niya.
Mom, how do you give me chocolate and candy?
I don't know, boy.
And gummies? There's more. This is not
Anong more?
I just got chocolate and gummies inside here.
More what?
I think that's not gummies. Someone gave me it and told me. Someone put it in my skin.
Itinidor mo doon?
I want a chocolate and a gummy. Please. And I don't know who gave me it. I didn't know there's some. There's pieces. I passed.
Malamig yan.
I think I can eat that.
Mm-mm-mm.
Beep, beep, beep. Walking backwards, turn, turn. Beep, beep, beep. Turning backwards. Beep, beep.
Merienda ni Don Julio sa umaga.
Beep, la la, la la. Backwards. Without luck. Beep, 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 beep.
Mm.
Beep, 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 beep.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Merienda ni Don. Hala, naglaro na oh. Naglaro na si GI. Yan dyan oh, nalaglag na Don. Itulo na, tumulo na. Okay, okay.
I know some games.
Up, go up.
I know someone. I think the people gave me and candy. And they want me to eat it.
CJ, sarap kumain ng ice cream. Ay, ay, ay. Gusto ni CJ ang ice cream ng Mercy Espinosa. Smoothie to siya. O kulang, walang ano, gatas sana yung nilagay. Wala kaming gatas. Iba yung gatas namin. May almond kasi yun. Almond milk. Hindi regular. Ingat po! Magandang araw!
Excuse me, Mommy.
Mhm.
Can we go to the playground after our home? Please. Yummy. Yummy. Can we go to the playground after home?
I don't know, CJ don't wanna go na po. Ayaw na CJ.
I want to go to the playground.
Magbihis ka na, kakuha ka ng damit doon ka, magbihis ka.
Uy!
No, tama na, mamaya, ipalanay. Ipamelt muna natin, kaya para mabilis kainin. Ito kasi masyadong malamig.
Is CJ coming to...
Nag-frozen pa.
Is CJ
Magbihis ka
coming-
na, palitan mo yung damit.
Is CJ coming to in the playground?
I don't know if CJ will go to the playground.
CJ, you want to go to the playground?
Wala si Chris po, nagtrabaho.
I want to go to the playground. Playground! Yeah!
You wanna go to the playground?
Yeah! This!
That's for the garden.
Mama, is to go.
That's for the garden.
Yeah. What else?
That's for the garden.
Mama says bubble balls.
Mhm.
Mama says bubble balls.
Yeah, that's para sa garden natin. Ingat mga kaibigan, magandang araw. Baka pupunta sila sa playground. Kaya pagkatapos ni CJ, gusto nilang mag-playground. Wala si Chris ngayon dito. Kami lang. Lagi yan tatabaho si Chris.
Mommy,
Ah!
do I have to change my undies?
Yeah, you can change it.
Yippee!
Sige po. Bye-bye. Say bye, CJ. 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 Ay, nako, naglaro pa. Bye-bye.